Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with a very quick video just to let y'all know how my projects, my DIYs came along for the holiday season. So stay tuned, y'all. Now tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. 'Twas the night before Christmas. All of these embellishments. The sign is from the Target Bullseye, believe it or not, and I got it literally last year when they were kind of dumping everything. Tell me that isn't cute. The wreath, the garland is from the Dollar Tree that I kind of have decored here as a wreath. The snowflakes are from the Dollar Tree. The little pretty twinkly lights are from the Dollar Tree. Everything's from like local shops. Things that aren't going to break the bank. Tell me this isn't darling. And really the snowflakes this year have really been very cute because they have this stark white, so they really stand out as snowflakes. Last year's were a little too transparent, so you really couldn't see. Let me take off the flash so you can see. See? Look how pretty. I am so impressed with myself. And yes, even the LED projector. How cute is this? This would make anything look pretty and pop if you're having a little get together, and even fun for the kids. You can make it as small as you want, as large as you want. Battery operated, as you can see. I am very satisfied and very pleased that you can take anything from the Dollar Tree and make it look super high end. How adorable. This too is my classic wreath that I made last year, and it really well held well this year. How cute and adorable. Let me put some flash so you can see all the details. As you can see, yes, my little owl with the buffalo check pattern, the pine cones, the poinsettias, even the wreath itself you can get from the floral section. It's kind of like in the wood family. Everything is faux snow, and even the tree hanger, which I've also decorated. You could put it in your front door, your front porch, your anything, your bedroom, anything to make it feel festive. And look how cute it is with the lights out. I am impressed. Now I put this to decorate my doorway. Tell me this isn't adorable. The sign is customary. It's a staple at Dollar Tree. You will always find it in a multitude of colors. I've opted for the gilded and gold. And even the snowballs are the ones that are the DIYs, and you can fill with glitter and faux snow. Let me show some flashlights so you can see how cute. But that new light, that star beaming light in the middle, that's new. And they had, I believe, a tree. So I had green light and I think a Santa Claus, which was red. I opted for the soft white. Tell me that doesn't stand out. Again, y'all, you don't have to break the bank and it still looks very high end. My bathroom too, which again, this is a staple. This I will say though, I don't know what happened. They didn't bring them this year. The nice Santa Claus inspired basket and whatnot, but I thankfully do take care of my items and that I can recycle them year after year. My ugly sweater little ornament, which is adorable, and I've bought these new candy dishes too that you can opt to keep your bath salts, and it looks very high end. And dun da da da, my sign. The actual drawing is from a calendar from the Dollar Tree, and I already spoke to you guys about the snowflakes. Just hot glued them, and tell me that this doesn't all look super cute and very festive. Dollar Tree, y'all, it's your friend. Now moving on to my other wreath with my other cute little owl minus the buffalo check. That's the difference between them. But again, all the ornaments, they sell as separates, and you can just hot glue them. Even the jingle bells, the LED lights, and this nice cool white. You have the option of warm and cool. I thought this would give it a nice effect. Also, they had the string of lights that also in an ice cool white light. But I thought it looked really darling, and it looked kind of like snowflakes. I've joined them with my poinsettias and my garland that stretches all the way to the bottom of the end of my hallway. This is the other side of the hall with the lights. The lights are from Target, but it's still nice and twinkly, very festive. Of course, my traditional sign from the Dollar Tree, ho ho ho, and I've added some embellishments, some bows. These are recycled DIYs. I believe the screen name for that YouTuber is Glue Gun and Roses. She also gives great DIYs, and she came up with this concept of taking, it's just your traditional music notes for Jingle Bells, and I think the first Noel is what I have on the other side, and then you just kind of stain it with some coffee and they look like it's from the olden times. Very, very chic, very cute. Some embellishments, and these lights, I'm going to turn off the lights so you can see, these icicle lights are new from the Dollar Tree. Tell me that isn't darling. So I like the effect on them and how you can see them in this glaring light. How cute. Cool white light, and they bring like little small miniature batteries. They're not your traditional AA or AAA. It's like a little minuscule battery, but tell me that isn't cutie. These are my traditional moniker stockings from Five and Below. Just wanted to show you guys that. And then the nutcrackers are new. I thought it was a cute little add-on. The Jingle Bells, my Farmhouse Merry Christmas, my Merry sign, which I've painted with a nice chalk white paint. The ribbon is new. I opted for these beautiful colors of gold, red, silver, and the snowflakes make everything look so cute. My snow globes, my new Jingle Bells, they come in a nice gilded silver and gold. That was my theme this year, my color scheme. And yes, these cute little signs, if you're doing like a small village, it looks like a nice, pretty sign that you would see kind of on the highway and whatnot. And looks very 1950s inspired, very cutie. And of course, my bottle brush trees, they come in white and also a traditional green. My nativity scene that I've adorned with some lighting from the Dollar Tree, also as well, an LED light inside as well. How adorable! And even this faux effect is also from the Dollar Tree. It's a tree skirt that looks like snow, but I opted to put it on the nativity scene. Here are some of my other ornaments that I've just recycled, and of course my cute Christmas truck that lights up. How adorable! As you can see, perfect for the mood setting. And lastly, my table. Tell me this isn't cute, y'all. The table actual itself, the sheet that I'm using, the tablecloth, that looks like tablecloth, it's actually from the Dollar Tree, but it has this mistletoe kind of pattern, which I love. This is from their miniature collection. I've had it here now, adorning or accompanying my DIY tree with my DIY candy mints. Of course, some gift, and even the gift bag is from Dollar Tree. They're incredibly cute mugs, and of course their little headpieces, which we'll be wearing soon for the festivities. Hot cocoa with their mugs. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Let's get cozy. My napkins, don't pay mind to my shades. But again, I've done a little coffee bar. My candles with mint scented essence oil that I've used, also available at the Dollar Tree. And of course, even this is even new. The tins, the cookie tins, they have not brought back. Thankfully, I've been able to maintain my tin, and it looks just as good as when I bought it. And then this too, it's like a tea holder. You can get like a tea light from the Dollar Tree and then light it up. So let's